Hello, today we will guide you through how to mask an image with any custom shape in PowerPoint. To get started, open PowerPoint and create or open the slide where you want to place your image. This technique is useful when you want your picture to appear inside a shape instead of the usual rectangle, giving your slide a cleaner and more customized look. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the tools needed to add both images and shapes to your slide. From the Insert tab, click on Picture. This lets you bring an image into your presentation so you can begin working with it. When the image options appear, choose this PC, then browse to the picture you want to use and select it. After that, insert the image onto the slide. If needed, you can reposition it a little so it sits where you want before moving on. Next, click on Insert again. This time, you'll be adding the shape that will be used to mask the image. Select Shapes, then choose the sample shape you want to use. This can be any shape available in PowerPoint that fits the style of your presentation. After selecting it, draw the shape over the image on your slide. Try to size and place it carefully, since the shape will define the final visible area of the picture. With the shape in place, click on Shape Format at the top. This tab gives you access to formatting tools specifically for the selected shape. One of the most important features here is the Merge option, which allows you to combine objects in different ways. Now click on Merge and choose the sample Merge option shown in your workflow. This is the step that creates the masking effect by combining the shape and the image into one finished object. If the result doesn't look quite right on the first try, it can help to check the alignment of the shape over the image before repeating the merge. After the merge is applied, your image should now appear cropped to that custom shape. This is a simple way to make visuals look more polished without needing any external design software. For best results, use high-quality images and make sure the shape is positioned exactly where you want the focus of the picture to appear. That's it. You've successfully masked an image with a custom shape in PowerPoint.